Hi guys, it's Sarita here, and I am super excited to show you what is in this box. I know you can't read it, but it says Design, Love, Repeat, and I'm going to explain to you exactly what that means. I've never been more excited. I know I say that every time I do something like this, but I'm super stoked. So this, my friends, is Chalk Couture. This is the newest product that I'm bringing to the cottage, and I am over the moon about it. And basically, you are going to be seeing some amazing things here. First of all, the Ecology Paste. Look at these gorgeous colors. This is guava, and this is raspberry sorbet, and this is bumblebee. So just look at these together. Can you imagine what you can do with these? And then of course you have to have white. So aren't those just pretty, pretty colors? Look at that for spring. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it. Anyway, so you might think this is paint in here, but it's not. It's actually chalk paste, and we'll talk about that. So what do you do with chalk paste? Well, you take something called a transfer. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I've only seen them on video. Look at this transfer. So how cute is that? Better together, right? So you think, well, Sarita, that's just a stencil. We've been working with stencils for the last 4 years. No, it's not. It's actually a silk screen. So even when you look at all these little letters down here, your chalk paste is gonna go right through those letters. And guess what you're not gonna have to do? You're not going to have to go back and pick through all of the little insides. And if you work with stencils, you know exactly what I mean. So in my starter kit, I have this beautiful transfer. I have Be Bold, Be Brave, Be Brilliant. I think that applies to y'all. I have a Love Brings Us Home. So there's different size transfers. There's A's, which are the smaller ones, all the way up to E's, I believe, which are the alphabets. But this is super cute. This is all spring. These are all little spring cutouts. Can you imagine all the stuff we can do with that? And then what's really neat is, because I'm going to be building a little bit of a business, they give me some fun ones that I can use around my cottage. So I'm excited about that. So that's super cool. Then the apron. What would a new business be for me without an apron? You know this is my uniform. My family only knows I'm working when I have an apron on. They see the apron, they go bye-bye. So that's how that works in my house. So you gotta have that. And then here is the magic squeegee. Now you may not quite understand what this is, but this is how you apply your paste. So once you get it on your screen, then you just kind of scrape it along, lift it up, and it's magic. And I cannot wait to show you exactly how that all works. But there's also these cute cards that came in my little kit here. So when you place an order or host a workshop, and I want to thank you, there's some really cute cards. And then these are chalkable chips. So these little pieces here that we're gonna play and play and play with. And the cool thing about these transfers and this chalk is that on a surface like this, if you make a mistake or you just wanna play and try again, it wipes right off with water. So it's incredible, but yet it can also be permanent. So it's quite the interesting product. And what we have in here, this is so cool. I've been waiting to see this. Look at this. So this is a surface that you would chalk on, and it has this cute little stand. I don't exactly know what this is called, but I'll learn, and you'll learn with me, so that'll be the fun part. And then this is Club Couture. So there's a club that you can join every month and have an exclusive transfer sent to you. And this is this month's. How cute is that? Can't you see the potential? The cool thing is you could use just parts of it. You don't even have to use all of it. But the French market, I love it. I don't even know how to do a French accent, so I won't try. And then here is the big daddy of them all. And this is another surface. And so this is so cool because it looks distressed, and I don't know if you can see that, but it looks distressed. And then it has this wonderful surface. And again, depending on what you use your chalk paste on, if you use it on one of these surfaces, you'll be able to say you decorate for a season and then you're like, yeah, I'm kind of done with that. You know how that goes. You want to do something else, but you don't always have the storage to store another piece of artwork or home decor. So all you can do is you'll wipe it clean, you'll scrape it, you'll wipe it clean, and you'll start fresh. So it's one of the most amazing things about this product. So clearly we're all kind of stuck inside. I felt this might be a good time to introduce something like this. I'm hoping to put together some workshop kits and some different things that I can get out to you so you can enjoy doing this at home. And the other thing is that as soon as this madness is over and I become essential again, I don't know, is crafting essential? I think crafting is essential. Matter of fact, I think it's a very intense form of therapy, and I think that they should say that craft places should stay open, but that's just my opinion. So anyway, once we get through all that, definitely going to have a launch, going to have an open house. If you can't wait till then, I would meet with you one-on-one, not a problem at all. You can check out my website at chalkcouture.com/Sarita Creates. So that's pretty simple. And then of course I'll be sharing things in my VIP group, which is also known as the Creative Cottage Community. And then I will also be putting things on my Facebook page. I'm super excited for this for you because I have been limited in the amount of workshops I could have and the amount of stencils I could create and the variety. So now I'm going to be able to offer you some amazing, amazing things. So, which the catalog should be in here, and I think I already left it inside, so we'll have to go through that again. But anyway, follow me on Facebook, check it out, let's have some fun. I think this will be really cool. All right, until next time, bye-bye.